Hello and welcome to a new lesson of the Linux lessons. In this lesson we will learn some of the basic commands of the Linux, and we will start with the command PWD. Now PWD, if you type it and then enter, it will show you the directory that you are in, which is home torque, as you can see. As you have seen now, when you type this command PWD, it shows you the path that you are in, home torque. Now let's see how to display the directories under this path, home torque. You will type the command ls and enter. As you can see here, it displays all of the directories and files under the path home torque. Now let's see the command ls -l. If you type it and press enter, as you can see here, it displays those same directories and files, but with more information, like the size in bytes and its date and time, and the permissions and the owner. Let's see the next one and try ls -a. If you type ls -a and press enter, as you can see here, it will display all of the hidden files inside the same path, home torque. And you know the hidden files, if you see a dot before the name, like here, hidden file, and like here, hidden torque. Now you can do a combination between those two commands here, the one which is ls -l and ls -a. Let's find out what it will display. ls -la and press enter. As you can see here, it displayed all of the files combined, the hidden ones and the shown ones, and with their information, the time and the date and the size by bytes. You can also see the size of those directories or files in another way if you type ls -lh and then press enter. It will display for you the files, but it will not display the hidden files, it will only display the normal ones, and the size will be shaped in a different number. Now let's combine the hidden files with them and type ls -lah, or you can type -lah or lha, it doesn't matter, and then press enter. As you can see, it combined the hidden files, the ones that have dot before their names, and the normal files with their new size form and their dates and all of their information. Now let's see the command ls -f, but notice the f must be capital. Here it will display the directories by a slash behind the name. As you can see here, torque is a directory, torque1, torque2, and here 1. All of those, the names that has a slash after them, are directories. Now if you would like to clear this whole screen, you will type here clear and then press enter, and of course it clears all of that. Now let's see the command ls -r, press enter. As you can see here, it displayed the files and directories in an reverse order, as you can see over here. Let's for example compare ls -r by only ls. As you can see here, it's reversed as we saw in the -r, but in normal ls it's not reversed, it's the normal way. And then let's see the command ls -lt, press enter. As you can see, with this command you will list all of the files by their dates from the newest to the latest. As you can see from here, the time 6:44, 6:38, and then 6:27. The next command will be ls minus and then notice that the ls must be capital, and then sorry, I meant only the s, and then press enter. Here it displayed the files and by size, from the biggest size to the smallest one. As you can see, those are basically the important commands in ls. If you would like to know everything about ls and discover more and learn all of the things, you will type ls minus minus help and press enter. And as you can see here, all of the list of the commands that you may type after ls and its description and what it does. As you can see, a list of all of the available commands under ls and all of their descriptions. Now I'll clear the page. Now let's talk about how to change directory, but let's find out in which directory I am. I'll type PWD and press enter. As you can see, I'm in home torque. Now let's type ls. These are the directories under home torque. Let's say I want to go to this directory over here, which is 1. What do? I will type cd /1, sorry, I mean /home /torque /1, and press enter. As you can see now, here I'm in this directory. I'll type pwd. As you can see, I'm in home /torque /1 now. Now what if I want to change the directory and go back from this directory 1 to this directory 2? I will type cd space 2 dots and then press enter. Now I'll type pwd. As you can see, I'm back in home torque again. As you can see now, I'm in the directory or in the path home torque, and I want to go to this directory over here 1. We have seen the first way, which is cd home torque and then 1. There is another way, which is I can just type cd and then space and then 1. It will automatically take me to 1. Let's find out. pwd. As you can see here, I'm in 1. Now I'll type ls to display the directories under the directory 1. As you can see, here it displayed the directories. Let's say I want to get into this directory here, G. I will type cd and then space and then G. As you can see now, I am in G. If you type pwd, it will display for you that you're in home, torque 1 and G. Now if you're in any directory, inside any directory, and you want to get back to the home torque, you will just type cd and then space and then the tilde sign, and then you will press enter. Now if you will see pwd, it will display for you that you are back to home torque. And by that we have learned the commands, the pwd, the cd, the ls, and the clear. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.